Before starting off this lesson, here is a surprise exercise for you. Fill in the box. Look at the names below. One of them is a valid name. Pause the video for a while and think of an answer. Are you done? Okay, this might be your answer. Switch. Why switch? Even though you are not allowed to use keywords like switch, while, for, etc. for naming variables, but you can still use them if you change any one or more than one letters to uppercase. If you didn't get what I'm saying, then kindly have a look into the previous lesson where I had explained the whole situation. Okay, now we are moving on to our today's topic of consideration, that is printf. Recall these code snippets from the previous lectures. In the first printf, there is only one argument, that is NASO Academy, and that too in quotes. In second printf, there are two arguments, and the third one is quite similar to the second one, but the only difference is that instead of the two arguments, you have three arguments. If you observe carefully, in all these code snippets, first argument in printf is always within double quotes. Isn't it? The reason behind this is that the first argument of printf is always a string constant, that is, sequence of characters to be printed on the screen. The first printf prints NASO Academy, which is nothing but sequence of characters or a string. So that is okay. But if you remember, second printf doesn't print %d on the screen. Instead, it prints the value of var onto the screen. But why? Because %d is your placeholder for this variable. That simply says, take the next argument from the printf and replace me with that argument. Here letter d holds some meaning in itself. It means whatever is coming in my place, print it as integer. D means decimal number. That is, any combination of numbers from 0 to 9. If you observe the third code, inside the double quotes you have two %ds. And in between there is a blank, you can see, right? After that you have two variables, var1 and var2. The first %d takes the first variable, var1, and second %d takes the second variable, var2. Suppose the var1 has value is equal to 3 and var2 has value is equals to 4, then you can predict what is going to be the output for this printf statement. It's like this. 3, 4, with the blank space in between. Because in the place of these placeholders, you are putting the variables values. As variable 1 is equal to 3, so instead of this %d, you will be having 3 over here. And instead of this %d, you will be having 4 over there, which is the value of variable 2. It is important to note that for each %d, you must have to provide a variable either same or different. If you won't provide, then you may caught with an error. Error is expected expression before this token, because as this %d is matching with this variable 1, this %d is matching with this variable 2. But this %d is not matching with any variable. There is no variable for this %d. Due to this, you caught with an error. To sum up the whole situation, let me give you one more example. I have declared, define, and initialize three variables, one after the other, as you can see over here. And then I have mentioned another variable result of this arithmetic expression. You can see I have written variables instead of actual values, here in the arithmetic expression. Writing down the variable names is equivalent to actually write down these constant values over here. That is why in reality when the code is getting executed, the actual values is getting replaced in the place of these variables. So here you can see 2 plus 3 multiply with 6 divide by 3 is what is going to be the case. And if I calculate, it is 2 plus 3, which is 5, multiply by 6, which is 30, divide by 3 gives 10. Then the result must be equals to 10. After that, I had written a printf statement. I am new to programming, but I know how to write arithmetic expressions like this. Now, I just want to place this arithmetic expression as it is over here. Due to this reason, I had put %d plus %d multiply %d divide %d. And each placeholder is getting replaced with these variables over here. That means this one is being replaced with this 2, This one is being replaced with 3, this one is being replaced with 6, and this one with 3. As we know, whatever is inside in this double quotes, it is as it is getting printed onto the console. You can see in a moment what is going to be the output. In the second printf function, as you can see, you have, and the result of this expression is %d. In the place of this %d, you will get result variable. So here whatever I had calculated, the value is equal to 10, is going to get printed over here in this printf statement. Let me execute. As you can see, this is going to be the output. Let me expand it a little bit. Okay, I'm new to programming, but I know how to write arithmetic expressions like this. This is exactly getting printed. After that, you can see the %d has been replaced with these values, 2 plus 3 multiply with 6 divide by 3. And the result of this expression is what I'm expecting is 10. Process returns 0, this means everything is okay. Now I think from this example, it is very much clear to you that how to use these placeholders in your program.